baby pony. Look who I just got a few days ago. This is my purebred German Shepherd named Samantha. I forgot to make a video of her when I first got her. Yeah. And I'm not going to show you what happened, but... Oh, she must have heard something. Samantha! Samantha, look over here. Samantha, look over here. Samantha, Samantha, look over here. Let me zoom in on her cute little face. Samantha, every pony wants to see you on the video. Samantha, Samantha. Her name's Samantha, by the way. She is adorable, isn't she? She's a purebred, not mixed breed, German Shepherd. Hope you all have a good Sunday. Samantha, say bye. Say bye.